To simplify this fraction, first we need to rationalize the denominator. So step one, rationalize the bottom. So rationalize this guy here. Rationalize the denominator. Which we need something called the conjugate, because these are radicals, square root, cube root, wherever this type of radicals are involved, we also need to rationalize this or conjugate, find the conjugate of the denominator. So 3 minus square root of 2, the conjugate of, so I will say conjugate of this, is going to be, so the first term is the same, the second term is the same, so all you need to do is just change the sign here. When you do the conjugate, the signs are always opposite of each other. They're always opposite. And the reason we're doing this is because we're going to multiply top and the bottom of numerator by the conjugate, so therefore when you multiply this by conjugate, then all the radicals are going to be eliminated. So now step 2, multiply top and bottom numerator and denominator, I mean, multiply top and bottom by the conjugate by 3 plus 2 radical 2. That will do the job. That will simplify it, but let's show that in the next page. So we're going to do this 1 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 root 2. Now when you multiply by 1, of course, this is just going to stay the same. 1 times anything is just going to be itself over. Now the main thing is going to be here. Now, when you distribute it, when you FOIL it, so this is going to be 9, 3 times 3, and this is going to be 3 times 2, 6 root 2. And when you multiply these two, that's negative 6 root 2. And when you multiply these two, so 2 times 2 is 4, and square root of 2 times square root of 2. So let me write that here so I can show you in the next step. Okay, these two cancel because they have the opposite sign. So 9 and root 2 times root 2 is just going to be 2, right? Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Now you have 4 times 2, which is 8. So 9 minus 8 equals 1. So when you put 1 here, then of course it's just going to be the same thing. So this is simplified version. So in the future, when you multiply such a thing, you use this fact. So a minus b, a plus b, this is always equal to square of the first term minus square of the second term. So then you don't have to perform this. Will save you a little bit more time. So that's it. So thank you very much for using MyLearnMate, and please keep asking your questions. For questions that are failed, we will always support our users by making solution videos as this one and send it to user as soon as we can. And please also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope to see you more questions from you. Thank you.